Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to our nail art tutorial channel. Today we have a treat for you as we dive into the world of elegance and luxury with our stunning brown and gold nail art combination. Whether you are getting ready for a special event or just want to feel like a queen in your everyday life, this nail art design is sure to turn heads and make a statement. So let's get started on creating this exquisite look. First prep your nails by cleaning and shaping them, applying a clear base coat to protect your nails and create a smooth canvas for your design. Now it's time for the magic to begin. Apply a rich brown nail polish to all your nails. Make sure to achieve an even and a cop coverage. Using a fine nail art brush or striping tape, create intricate gold accents on each nail. You can go for simple geometric patterns, delicate swirls, or whatever your creativity leads you to. Allow the gold accents to dry completely and then seal your design with a clear top coat for that extra shine and longevity. And there you have it, a truly elegant and glamorous brown and gold nail art design that's sure to make you feel like royalty. You see this design, how much beautiful looks creating, and all these design are very nice design. Please support me and subscribe my channel for new updates and daily new nail design tutorial for this channel. Follow along step by step as we show you how to achieve this elegant and glamorous nail art combination. You see this design, so much beautiful design. Don't forget to share and recreation with us on, and if you enjoy this tutorial, give a thumb up, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell.